have some experience of working on rebuilding heads for 650cc and early 750cc cylinder heads, which have 8mm valves. Part number 3. Here I want to talk about springs, old ones, new ones, retainers, new ones, old ones. I just got a package from Russia, from this website. I ordered some stuff. There is a discount, by the way, if someone needs. There is a choice of which spring to install. The stock ones, it's a double spring, and the new one, this is from Russia. It's from Lada 2108, what's called 2108. It's a single spring, and it has plate and a retainer. It looks like this. Problem is that the plate, I need to drill it because it doesn't fit our new valve guides. Another issue is that I want to cut several millimeters off the spring retainer. Looks like it won't affect anything. It will make the retainer lighter, and in this case it would be less possible that the retainer will touch the guide. Once valve is opened, it would be safer. Okay, it's done. It looks like this now. Okay, this is the original double spring, and I measure it. It's 33.5mm length, and seat pressure is 26 kg. This is the new spring, and length is 34.3mm, and seat pressure is 26 kg. According to specs, seat pressure should be 26 kg. Some Ural mechanics do it 30 kg. And I found that the new spring parameters are pretty much the same as the old one in terms of seat pressure and length of the spring. So I decided to do somewhere in between, maybe around 33mm, 33.5, which would be somewhere around like 28 kg. Alright, I installed the spring. Let's measure it. It's around 34.7mm, and need to subtract 1mm because of the spring plate. So the result would be 33.7mm. 33.7mm, and pressure is 27 kg. 27 kg of seat pressure seems to be good, and I want to make sure that all of the springs have a length of 33.7 or very close to this value. I mean, all 4 of them. I'll be using shims if needed. I've got 3 different shim sizes: 0.8mm, 1.6mm, and 0.4mm. One last thing is about caps, valve caps. You should use those because we cut valves and the tips are not hardened anymore, Once we installed caps, we want to make sure it's not touching the valve lockers and stays and rotates freely.